Held for over 50 years, this very special place presents your chance to secure prestigious land in the heart of the Upper North Shore. Hello, it's Graham Squires from Bell Property, and welcome to one of the rarest opportunities in real estate on the Upper North Shore this year.
Number 8 and 4B Charlton Avenue, boasting a 5-bedroom double brick home and an established tennis court. These two titles are to be sold as one, totaling over 3,300 square metres of land.
At the very top of Turramurra, this property boasts country living in the heart of Sydney. The property is bathed in natural sunlight with a northerly aspect, providing peace, serenity and total privacy. Close to everything needed for a modern lifestyle to unwind, relax and entertain. The property is situated in Pymble Public School catchment and is close by to Pymble Ladies College and Knox Private School. A short stroll to Princes Street shops, moments to Turramurra Shopping Village and train station, the opportunity to build your dream home in Turramurra is extremely rare, so please do not miss out. And as you've just seen, this is a very rare and special opportunity for you to secure your place at the very top of Turramurra. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, my team and I look forward to seeing you soon.